Hi guys, we're gonna check out Little Mix Secret Love Song live from Little Mix The Search. I don't know if the search is a tour or what, but we're gonna check this out and see what's going on.
Every time I see you, I dilate more. Stolen moments that we steal as a curtain falls. It
Man, I
only
love these live
lasts
shows, man. You get to hear the raw voice, no mixing, no auto tune, no nothing. Just
for me.
real,
Fill my
clear
mind
singing.
and stop deciding when
Beautiful voices,
you're
man.
falling down. You and I both have to hide on the outside where I can't be yours. You can't be mine. I know this. We've got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be
Ooh.
like that?
Mmm.
Tell me yours. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna shout it from the
Damn, man.
rooftops.
Yo, this sounds so good, bruh. Yo, wait. You know what this remind me of? This remind me of the 90s, the classic 90s love soul song. Like from Celine Dion, Mariah Carey, all those, Tony Braxton. It does sound like I'm listening to the 90s, bruh. You know, the 90s cannot get old. Classic 80s, 90s souls. Classic. When I close my eyes, it's like I'm going back in time, listening to those 90s songs. This is crazy, bruh.
Why can't it be like that? Saviación for me. Every piece
Oh,
of
my
you
girl, Leon.
is
If you guys don't know, I love Leon, bruh. My favorite.
I'm in so deep, but I'll never show it on our
Mm,
face. But we know this.
mm,
We
mm.
got a love that is homeless. But can you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the
Woohoo.
dance floor? I wish that it could be
Oh, Perry,
like
man,
that.
yo, dude, Perry coming with that vocals.
Tell me why can't I say that I'm in
I don't remember if I reacted to this song before, but this song sounds so good. It sounds very familiar, but I'm not really sure. I don't remember. But this song sounds damn good, man. It sounds freaking good. I got to say that sounds good, bro. Well, it sounds kind of familiar though.
wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm I don't wanna live love this way. I don't wanna hide us away. I wonder if it ever won't change. I'm living for the day.
Ooh, okay.
Someday, when you hold
I
me
like how anytime they're performing, their outfit always in the same color, but different design. I always realize that when I'm reacting to them.
I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. I'm yours. Can't you see that I'm in love? I wanna shout it from the rooftops. I wish that it could be like that.
Be
Why
like
can't it be
that.
like that? 'Cause I'm
And damn, man. Powerful, bruh. Holy shit.
I wish we could be
Dude, this is some powerful ass shit, bruh. Dude, that was awesome, bruh. That was freaking